YouTube? Welcome back to more Nickmercs. Guys, in today's YouTube upload, we're bringing back another fan favorite. We're watching the best of the animal clips, the craziest animal videos you've seen on the internet right here, man. In this video, I'm getting the sense that people just don't respect powerful animals. People don't understand, but I know you do because you're smart. You're loyal, which is why you're going to like the video. Don't forget to like the video, man. And drop a comment down below. I'm curious, out of all the animals that you could run into out there in the wild, what would be the last one that you want to see? Don't say me. Don't say your wife. Keep it above the belt. Enjoy the video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Animal videos. Best of. That's how we're starting it out, huh, Gary? Okay. Oh. Little. Oh, is that a porcupine? Nah. Oh my god. Oh, owl? No? Okay. Oh.
Yo, Nick. Just accepted a job as a high school varsity football and basketball coach down in Texas.
Holy
Super
shit.
Stoked.
Congrats,
Also,
man.
Michigan has nothing on Texas Tech, who produced the best QB in history.
Patrick Mahomes? That is a pretty damn good quarterback, not gonna lie. But guys, say toy boat 3 times fast. Toy boat. Toy boat. Toy boat, toy boat. Toy boat. Toy boat. Toy boat, toy boat, toy boat. You gotta go faster though, don't you? Toy boat. Toy boat, toy boat, toy boat, toy boat! God damn, toy boat! That shit. Yo, is this a fucking leopard? Oh, man. That's nightmare fuel right there. That kid's gonna be scared of big cats for the rest of his life. His parents gonna wonder why. Oh my god! What was that, bro? What was that? What is that right there?
Oh, okay.
Is that a snake? I'm not kidding. I probably would behave the way she's behaving. That's how I fucking hate snakes, man. I don't know if I can watch this, man. It's like a snake. Is it a snake? Oh,
I'm a savage.
I don't know if I can't stand this shit, man. I hate snakes so much, bro.
Daddy!
Idiot.
Close the door, sweetie.
Idiot.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, fuck! Oh, what is that, man? Burn it. Fire. Fucking fire. He fucking took that shit, bro. Took that shit right out of his hands. No way. But take the next one, too. Watch. Yeah. These things don't fucking play around, man. They'll fucking fight you.
Let it go, Ramo, let it go. Lay up.
No.
There you go. Go on.
I have a question, man. People always talk about deep sea fishing around me and shit like that because I'm down there in Florida, you know. Do people ever die from the swordfish? I feel like there's no way they don't. They do, huh? Oh my god, man. Oh god, that's just so bad. I would hate. Oh.
Hello, little squirrel.
Get it. No, that's that thingy.
No, he's not. He's not gonna bite me.
Ow! Whoa! Oh, dude, I hate this fucking video, man.
Perkele, siihen et koske, saatana vie.
In Russian.
Ei minä sinua
Australia!
lyön perkeelti viekö, jos tuut tänne.
That is a brown bear, sir. Oh no, I can't watch. Oh, thank God. Damn, man. It's a brown bear, bro.
Bear.
You're... What the fuck? People are fucking ridiculous, man. Wow. Those things are a problem, aren't they? Man. That's a whole clan of them, man. Or wherever you call Tifu. Yeah, get the machine. Is that a moose? Oh my God. Oh no. He said, please. Oh, I need the dog for that. Oh, I don't want. Is this gonna be bad? No, no, no. Okay, good. Oh God. Oh, it bit her. It bit her, huh? What's happening? Isn't that incredible? A little dog. Oh no. Oh no. I've seen this video, bro. He hops. This is crazy. Bobcat. This is crazy. Oh, oh. Wow. That might not be a bobcat. It might be like a lynx or something. Chat. That's what my wife bought. Right there. That's the same exact one. I swear to God. That's the one. And his reaction isn't even as bad as mine. Like, I was about to burn the house down. Will you look at this? Nick, I'm not bullshit. I'm divorcing Delaney if she buys that. Miyagi. She put this thing back by our pool. Okay? She comes running in. Nick, there's a big snake in the backyard. Please, I need help. Please, I can't do it. She puts on the acting job of the century. I put on a pair of tall socks, jeans, boots, and I go out there. And I got a fucking farming thing. I don't even know where I got it, but I have a farming rake thing. And I'm looking at this fucking thing, and she's behind the glass inside, just making it like do that. And I'm like, whoa, what the fuck? Honey, oh my God, what is this, honey? I'm like, is it a snake? Is it a slug? What is this fucking thing? And she's making it move, and I'm like, oh my God, it's big, it's fast too, it's really fast. And then eventually I find out what the fuck she's doing, you know. And I don't think I talked to her for like 2 days. I blocked her on the fucking iPhone. I blocked her. No, I really did. I'm so petty. You know how petty I am. No communication for 2 days. No, I don't even want to talk to her. I was so fucking mad at her, man. Look at this thing. It looks like the final boss of slugs.
That's stupid. Your shit's stupid. Hold on. Make your stupid shit.
Look how mad he is.
Hey!
She's dying. I guess one more time.
That's stupid. Your shit's stupid. Hold on. Make your stupid shit.
Hey!
Oh, he doesn't care.
You're gonna get me.
Oh,
Hey!
wow. Oh, I hate not seeing the end, though. No, I gotta see these, man. Fuck. Oh, my God. Another mountain lion? Oh, it's a bear.
Okay, bear.
Oh, no, don't show me back. There you go. Off the path, okay.
Hey there.
Bye, bear. Thank you, bear.
I might be going a little far here. So pull me back in if I'm out of line. Okay? I want you to reel your streamer back in if I'm out of line with this next comment. That fucking girl in the video pisses me off. Just her fucking voice. I understand the hey bear thing, but the thank you bear. It's your trail bear. You go bear. Shut the fuck up! Am I out of line? I'm serious, man.
Is it bear? Yeah.
Another bicyclist, man. He's
Oh shit.
keep going. Let's see it. It's not gonna do anything. Is that an octopus? Oh, I see it. No. You can't. These things don't play around, man. This ain't the Netflix documentary. No. This is a bigger one. He's looking right at him too. Look at his eyes. Whoa! Dude. This video sucks. It's like jump scare, man.
Tira de las patas. No problem. Tira. Tira, no problem.
Oh.
Tira para atrás. Atrás.
Oh,
Arranca.
Oh.
Hijo de puta.
Isn't that really bad? They're poisonous, right? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Not all of them? Okay. Oh, it just makes my skin
Wrong
just...
way.
Ah. What, I catch a flick in the pantry? Oh, no. It's gotta be a bear. Whoa! Oh! Oh, that's a... What is that thing? What is he? Looks like a boa constrictor or a python or something. Oh, my God. Fuck, man.
Oh, God.
Look at these things, man. Look at them go. Like it's nothing. Ah, damn, man.
That thing is pretty small.
Damn.
Right there.
That's cool. See that shit run that fast like that up the fucking tree. Oh. Damn. He's...
Where are you going down? See ya.
Cats don't give a shit, do they? What's going on here? The bird's definitely in distress. I don't think it should be that low.
It's an octopus.
An octopus got a bird. Wow. Wow.